1 second. 2 seconds. 3 seconds. Sometimes that's all it takes for months of obsession to disappear. At Hockenheim, a circuit shaped by years of racing history, time is never neutral. It's cruel. For months, an entire team pushes every detail further. Every system is refined, every instinct sharpened. But it's a fraction of a second that separates ambition from achievement. Performance is never built in one moment. It starts before the car moves. In the silence before ignition, in the tension inside the garage, in everyone chasing the same vision. Then, everything begins. No distance between driver and destiny. Only momentum, only connection, only perfection.